To import products from Chinabrands using Importify, first visit the Chinabrands website. Do your niche research and find the product you would like to sell. Visit the product page URL and click the red Add button. The Importify editor will open up for you. You can change the title, the description, you can change the pricing, you can link it to specific collection in your store, and when you're done, click the Add Product button. Wait till you get the message that the product was added successfully, and use one of the three options to check your new listing. If you are subscribed to the Importify Gold plan, you have the ability to use the semi-automatic fulfillment with Chinabrands. Once you get a new order, go to the Importify dashboard and click the order list from the side menu. On this page, you will find the unfulfilled orders. Pick one of these orders to fulfill and click the Order button. Importify will automatically add the product to the cart. Click the Autofill Order button to pre-populate the customer address. Double-check the order details and proceed with the payment process. Thank you for choosing Importify. We wish you success.